As we put the water on the cells, here is what you have put the water on the cells. Okay, the cells become turgid. Okay, particularly when these guard cells, they become turgid, what happens? A stoma is formed. The stomata is plural of stoma. Okay, afterwards we put on this very slide, we apply the saline solution. What? Saline solution. As we put the saline solution by the help of dropper, 5% saline solution. Okay, what happens? The plasmolysis takes place. What? Plasmolysis takes place. Plasmolysis is what? Shrinkage of water, shrinkage of cytoplasm due to loss of water. Shrinkage of cytoplasm. And shrinkage of cytoplasm means what? Shrinkage of cells. Okay, as the shrinkage of these guard cells takes place, what happens? The space is no more. The stoma becomes closed. Okay, so this is how you will study or you do study here the opening and closing of stomata, effect of rather saline solution concentration on the turgidity of cells, and subsequently the opening and closing of stomata. Taken? Thank you very much.